Let's check back with Bob Goosmann. Those storms still coming our way, Bob.
Yeah, Dawn. The big difference today and then a lot of the forecasts we've had during the late afternoon hours is these storms have already developed. They're already severe and they're just on our doorstep. You'll see the box come up. We got a cold front. When I say a box, I'm talking about a severe thunderstorm watch box. Last couple of days, the air aloft has been too warm for thunderstorm development. It's been very unstable, but there hasn't been any lifting mechanism to get thunderstorms going. The difference today, I'll show you right now, is a very weak front has drifted into the area. And you have southerly winds to the south of it, northerly winds to the north of it. When they meet, that forces the air up. It forces the air up through that warm air aloft, and that initiates the storms. And of course, we've been talking about how unstable the air is, and these storms do mean business. Just partly cloudy skies during the early part of the day. You can see what has happened just in the last, I'd say, couple of hours with the two big thunderstorms, the one out to the west of Breckenridge. This one right here in Cook County, there is a gentleman chasing this, several people. It's got a rotating wall cloud. Nothing has dropped from this thing. Again, we're not under tornado watch, but remember, we don't necessarily need to be under a tornado watch for any thunderstorm to drop a tornado. Another storm that looks very, very suspicious to me right there. It's got that little notch. Whenever we talk about storms that drop tornadoes, a lot of times you look for that hook echo. Well, that looks to me like it's got a hook to it. I'll have to go look at the one of our products called a velocity product to see if there's any rotation. But let's talk about some of the warnings. I told you about the Cook County storm, East Central Jack County, Southern Montague, Northwestern Wise, all under severe thunderstorm warning. Palo Pinto County, that storm right there has golf ball sized hail. Any one of these storms could begin to drop baseball-sized hail. That's the potential with these storms. And you know, when it gets to be that large, nothing is safe. For now, these storms are to our west and to our northwest. I cannot tell you which communities here in the Metroplex and up to the northern counties, Denton and Collin, I can't tell you which communities are going to get hit directly, but I tell you what, they're beginning to line up, so it doesn't look like many folks are going to miss these storms. So you got lots of time right now. Go on out. If you have breakables outside, you want to bring them in or maybe cover up glass objects like tables or whatnot out there. Bring the pets in. But again, you still have an hour or two before these storms get here, and hopefully they'll begin to weaken a little bit. Got very, very high humidity out there. Dew points are high. Temperatures very warm to the south, much cooler to the north. These are all the ingredients that we need to get severe weather. 88 is the current temperature. That is the high, 73 the low. And here's the problem. This front, it's not going anywhere. It's going to sit right over North Texas, so more showers and thunderstorms, severe over the next couple of days. The only good news is I think some of this rain is going to fall where they're battling those fires. So hopefully it'll help the firemen out there. Thunderstorms severe tonight, near 70. Round 2 comes up tomorrow, scattered strong thunderstorms, and then we'll probably do it right into Tuesday as well. But then look at that, a strong cold front comes in and beautiful weather to wrap up the week. Dawn, I'm going to go back, check some of these products, and I'll get back with you shortly. Becky's got the forecast each morning on The Wolf.